How to copy comments on Instagram. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and in today's video, I'm going to show you how to copy comments on Instagram. Without further ado, let's get started. So let's just head on and open the Instagram app right here. And just choose a specific post you want to copy comments from. And once you have chosen a post, just click on this comments icon or just click on the view all comments option right here. And that should show up all the comments and you can scroll through it. And if you want to copy a specific comment, for example, I want to copy this particular comment with a URL. So what you're going to do is just to take a screenshot. So to do that on iPhone, you can just click on the power button and the volume up button simultaneously. Just click on them simultaneously. And that should take a screenshot. Once you have taken a screenshot, let's just open our Photos app or the camera roll and just open up that specific screenshot. So what we're going to do is to click on this icon right here with the 3 horizontal lines at the bottom right corner part of the screen. And once we have enabled that feature, we should be able to press and hold on that particular comment. So I'm just going to press and hold, and as you can see, it has been selected like a normal text. Just select all, the whole comment, and let's just click on the copy option right here that pops up. So I'm just going to go back to Instagram to test if we have really copied that comment. So I'm just going to paste it here. And as you can see, we have successfully copied that comment. If you don't have an iPhone, you can just open the Google app right here. You can install that through your Play Store or App Store. And what we're going to do is to click on this camera icon right here, right beside the mic icon. And it should show all your photos below. So just click on that specific screenshot that we just took. And click on the text option right here, right beside search. And we can also zoom in the screenshot. And again, we can just simply press and hold on that specific comment and it should select the whole comment if you want. And once you have selected that, just click on this copy text option at the bottom left part of the screen, copy text. And when we try to paste it in, it should copy the comment. So that is how you can basically copy comments on Instagram. So that ends this tutorial. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Feel free to comment any questions you may have as well. So that is all for today and have a great day.